Hi students, in today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to print out, how to set up a page and how to export your questions and to print them out on a A4 page. So assume these are the 4 questions: triangle, circle, rectangle and pentagon. You have done these 4 questions on one single workspace. Now you want to print them out on one single A4 page. How you can do that? It's very easy. Please be with me and also subscribe and press the bell icon of my channel for more such videos. So you have to go to the layout. You can see different layouts are there, so you can go to any layout there. So if I go to this layout, so you can see these 4 questions coming over on this page, but still this page is not yet set. So what you have to do, you have to first highlight this page, the boundaries of this page. You have to highlight that and you can see the blue color coming over there. Then you have to press the delete button. Now you have deleted. After deleting the page, you have to go to the start menu and there you have to press the left key of the mouse. After pressing the left key of the mouse, you have to go for the print, and on print you have to go for the page setup. So we have to first set up this page. So you can see the new layout coming over there. So there we want the layout 2, that is the layout 2 that should be modified. So on modify we have to press the right key, left key of the mouse. So now you can see one more window coming up. So on the name you have to press the left key of the mouse. There you can see the many options coming over there, and we want my document should be in PDF, that is DWG to PDF. So I press the right key, left key there, so it has come in DWG. Then paper size, we want it should be printed on A4. So you can see the A4 is there, ISO A4. So pressing ISO A4, you can see it has come in a portrait form. After that, we need to, my printout should be in black and white. So we have to go to the monochrome, pressing on the monochrome. Now the printout will be in black and white, and then display plot style, you have to click it. After setting these, then comes the quality. Quality should be on the normal, so it is already on the normal. I need not to touch this, and I have to customize the scale. I am saying 1 mm is equal to 1 unit. So I will write 1. So it's 1:1. Then I have to set it on OK. So after this setting is OK, I have to close this window which was earlier open. So you can see now this tray is there. Then after this tray we need to go to the we need to write vport. Vport stands for viewports. Then we have to click the left key there. So again a window is coming up. So you can see many options coming over there. So you can divide the pages like this. So still, since there are 4 questions, so I want the paper should be divided in 4 equal parts. So I will click on this. You can see the paper has been divided in 4 equal parts. Then saying OK, pressing on OK. After pressing on OK, now what we need to do, we need to highlight this window. We need to drag this from this point to mentioning the window on this point. So you can see the questions which were on the workspace have come on this layout. Now what we have to do, we have to change this paper into the model. We have to press there with the left key of the mouse. After pressing this, it has converted into the model. Now I'm using this model. So what I have to do, I have to keep 1 question in each part of this page. Fine. So what I need to do, I need to press double click there of the mouse. then zooming in by scrolling. So I will keep this rectangle. So here you can see this pan is coming over, so pressing on the pan and adjusting this rectangle in this quarter of the paper, then exiting the pan. So the one question has been set on this quarter of the paper. Now similarly I can press the double click on this, then zooming in, and I will keep the circle by using the pan command. I will keep the circle on this quarter, then exiting the circle. So the second question has been set on this piece of paper. Now here I would like to keep the pentagon, so double click, then bringing the pentagon in, double click, then pan command, and I will keep scroll on like this, then zoom in, so keeping the pentagon in this part and exiting the pan command. Now in this I would like to keep the triangle, so double click on this, then zooming in and using the pan command, so bringing the triangle in this quarter, then exiting the pan command. Now all four questions has been set on one A4 sheet. Now I want to export them to my desktop, so I need to go to start menu. So there I have many options, so I have to export this, and I have to convert this into the PDF. So export, then choosing the PDF, and because I want to keep this on my desktop, so I will press on the desktop, then I will name this file Zahur, or anything you can write so that we can find it out in there. So I have given it a name, then save, pressing the left key of the mouse. So now these four questions has been set up on a page, that is A4 page, and now they are there on my desktop, so you can see them on my desktop. So this has been done. Now only the printout is to be needed. So I hope this video will help out you and it will save your time. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends. Maybe they need this. Thank you very much for watching me.